Go ahead. Go ahead, open it. You can stand up if you need to.
Ooh.
What's in there?
I know.
Pull it out. What's that? Is that a jacket? And pants? Ooh, look at these. They have pretty gems on the buttons. And a shirt. Do you like it?
Is that?
More pants.
Is that?
Oh, ooh, pretty. Another shirt. Oh, wow. Caroline, do you like them?
Yeah.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
You gonna put them on?
I'll try it off.
Okay.
No.
Oh, how pretty. It fits you so good.
I see.
You gonna put the jacket on? Go get the jacket. Okay. Put one arm in. And the other arm. Oh, Caroline. Oh, you look so beautiful. Take it off.
I'll try this one.
You want to try the other shirt on?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Do you like the ruffles? Yeah, these.
Yeah. What's that?
It's a ruffle.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty.